Hi guys, let's take a look on Hijoe 20-inch folding bike model hook. We use 48-volt 18 amp-hour lithium battery. This is the lithium battery inside the frame. Let's take a look. We have the USB hole here, charger hole here, and the on and off button to turn on the battery. USB to charge your phone, and this is for charge your battery. This is the this is the battery display. When it's on, it will be have the battery. This is the suspension, oil suspension. 1000 watts motor, big motor, very powerful. It can go 55 kilometers per hour. 7 gears, Shimano. 4-inch bar tire. Rear light. Big saddle. Big front suspension fork. LED light. Hydraulic disc brake. Double wall rim. 13G spokes, stainless steel. Hydraulic brake lever. Turn on the LCD. This button turn on. We have 5 different pedal assisted speed. On assisted 5, it will be 45 kilometers per hour. And we can change the different speed. We also have a throttle here. When we switch, the motor is running. Or we pedaling, the motor is running because you have a Hall sensor here. When we pedaling, the motor is running too. This bike can go 55 kilometers per hour with 120 kilometers range. 150 kilogram loading weight. This is a very comfortable bike. Model name Hook from Hijoe Bikes. Thank you.